Pranab Mukherjee, UPA's nominee for presidential candidate, is speaking at Bangalore. Let's cut across and listen in to what he has to say.
Journey from in this new area. Long ago, I started my political career as a political activist, as a member of a party, as a member of the parliament. And today I am entering into a new area, a new journey that is above partisan politics. As you all aware of, UPA 2, all political parties except one have extended, not only extended, they have decided to set me as the candidate. It has been endorsed by our supporting parties, BSP, SP, those parties who are RJD, those parties who are also opposed to us on the parliament. Some of them have also extended support, like JDU, like Shiv Sena, like CPIM, like Forward Bloc. JDS has also extended its support to us. When the candidature was announced by Congress President Sonia Ji, Prime Minister rang Deve Gowda Ji, and he immediately responded to the Prime Minister's request that his party will extend support to the UPA candidature. After this interaction, I will be going to meet him and thank him. I am appealing to those political parties who have not yet taken decision to take decision and take decision in my favor. Thank you.
Is it specifically to Mamata Banerjee that you are saying that they want to?
I am requesting all political parties who have not yet declared their decision, including leader of TNC, Mamata Banerjee. Look, Congress is an grand old party of India, more than 125 years. There is no dearth of talent in Congress party. In the long history of Congress party, always it has been proved that in the face of challenges, the party rises to the occasion. So there will be no problem. Thank you.
There are a lot of expectations from the post of the president now that makes the contest that much more harder. What are the expectations?
Only one point I would like to suggest, that many scholars, and some of them were the makers of modern India, Indian political system, democratic values, culture, institutions, all these have been built up by the great national leaders, some of which occupied this office, starting from Babu Rajendra Prasad, Sir Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, followed by Dr. Zakir Hussain, and followed by 10 other illustrious successors. So I need not be worried over if I am elected, what course of action I shall have to follow. Thank you.